Hello, my name is Christy and welcome to day 997 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out a product that sounds like exactly what I need. So this is from the brand MALIN+GOETZ. It's the Mojito Lip Balm. So this is a product that I got in my October 2020 Ipsy glam bag. This is the full-size product and it has a retail value of $14. Which that glam bag itself cost $12. So I'm really happy with that glam bag. If you haven't seen my unbagging of it, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so you can see all of the products I got. And now this product seems perfect for me because I just have such dry lips. It gets cold here in New England and that just makes my lips get even more dry. But this sounds awesome because it's a hydrating gel formula that's supposed to soak into the lips in seconds. It's infused with a blend of nourishing fatty acids to protect your lips and lock in moisture so they stay smooth and soft for hours. And it's mojito scented, which I think is unique and awesome. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it smells exactly like a mojito. It smells like that fresh mint. But then it smells sweet. Oh my gosh. I'm not a big mojito drinker, but this makes me want one. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. All right, well, of course, perfect for this video. My lips are dry. So we're really gonna be able to see how hydrating this really is. Let's find out. Ooh, I like the formula. I like the texture. I like that it's a gel because I do really think that the gel types of lip products are super hydrating. And oh my gosh, did this hydrate my lips immediately. Gosh, and that mojito flavor is so nice. And I feel like a little bit goes a long way. Like this will be able to last me a long time, because you just need one thin layer for it to really hydrate the lips. Ooh, and it gives such a pretty sheen, but I love this. I'm so excited because it actually healed the dry, chapped parts of my lips. Because I've been trying other hydrating lip products these days that just kind of coat the dry lips and it doesn't deeply hydrate them. But this completely hydrated my lips. It really did absorb into my lips, got rid of those chapped areas, and now my lips are looking smooth. They're looking completely hydrated and juicy. And when I rub my lips together like that, it just feels completely smooth. I don't get that texture from the chapped areas of my lips anymore because they're gone, and it happens so quickly too. So when I want a hydrating lip product, this is exactly what I want. This is exactly what I have in mind because it's completely hydrating and it's very flattering and pretty on the lips because it almost has a plumping effect since it smooths out my lips so much with that hydration, and it has that really pretty sheen. So this could be a nice lip topper or just so quick and easy to throw on, but it makes it look like you put a little bit of effort into your lips and your makeup look. So wow, I really like this. I have been enjoying the brand MALIN+GOETZ. I use their serum at night, every night, and I find that to be really hydrating and nice on the skin. It gives a great glow. So I just want to try out even more products from this brand. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any favorites from the brand MALIN+GOETZ that you would recommend. It does seem kind of like a pricier brand. I mean, $14 for a lip balm to me is pretty expensive, but this is so good that I think I really would spend $14 on it because like I said, you only need a little bit to completely hydrate your lips, so you'll be able to get a good amount of use out of this. Since it lasts for 12 months from when you open it, and I really do feel like this could probably last me a year, even with me applying it every day. It's also cruelty free. So yay, I'm so happy with this. This is exactly what my lips are going to need for this fall and winter. So if you have dry lips like me, I really think you would like this. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.